Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install iFIT at home fitness course. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search iFIT. There you can see iFIT at home fitness course. Press on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app in your mobile, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using iFIT app for your home workouts and your fitness goals. This much for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.